What if I told you that reviewing a few adorable photos daily can change your life? We're using an evidence-based vision boarding process to make your dream life a reality. Vision boarding works, and it has nothing to do with quantum physics or anything else, but established cognitive neuroscience concepts. This video provides the finest evidence-based overview. Discover what a vision board is, who needs one, do you need one, how they operate at the brain level, and then guide you through a 5-step process to create your own, emphasizing typical questions, traps, and dangers. And finally, I'll explain how to use your vision board to make your ideas into reality using evidence-based methods. I'm Izzy, a Cambridge graduate and doctor. I've achieved so much in my life, including getting into Cambridge to study medicine, my work, my YouTube channel, a great relationship, our home, skills, and experiences. Indeed, manifesting means choosing your goal and directing your energy toward it. Vision boarding helps manifest. If this sounds like you, I've created a free 3-day training on soft productivity strategies to help you turn your aspirations into reality. It would complement this video well. Click the link below to view the free tutorial. A vision board. Why? Vision boards? Who needs them? Has your life needed this? Being able to simply attain all your goals, manifest your dream life, and create the life you want is great. And I congratulate you, because a vision board probably won't help in this situation. Skip this video to save time. If you're like me and are still on a personal growth journey, have things you want to do, achieve, experience, and become, and are looking for ways to make them happen, a vision board can help you do just that. I'm a skeptic, so I understand vision boards and manifestation neurology. A book on this topic is also recommended. Dr. Tara Swartz's material is great for talking about manifestation neurobiology. Interested? Check it out. Linking below. The brain processes 50 of 11 million sensory information per second, according to research. The unconscious mind filters or compresses millions of bits of information every second to offer the conscious mind what it needs. Trying to process all the sensory and mental input would drive us crazy, too overwhelmed to focus, work, or operate. We need a technique to cut through the noise and focus, so this is helpful. This also suggests that the brainstem's reticular activating system, RAS, subconsciously filters information for us. Selection and value tagging influence what information the brain processes consciously and what it lets pass unconsciously. Our brain uses selective attention to focus on selected stimuli and ignore RAS ignored information. Valuation tagging is when our brain assigns emotional or goal-related priority to certain inputs. Perhaps you've seen the Baader-Meinhof phenomena in action. Selective attention, RAS, and value tagging induce frequency bias. I'm pregnant. Parenthood, pregnancy, babies, and childcare become meaningful and emotional. Pregnant ladies, kids, and newborns are everywhere now, unlike before. It's not because there are more pregnant women, newborns, and children around me, but because my brain now values maternalhood more. Thus, when I see a pregnant woman or cute baby on the street, my reticular activating system says, "That's important to us." Tell Izzy. It becomes conscious. This may have happened to you after buying a new car or MacBook. Red Volvos appear everywhere. Because it's been value tagged and is crossing into your selective attention more often, you're paying more attention to it and being made more aware of it. My weekly newsletter may appeal to those who like this approach to personal growth. I write my younger self. This is my fave. I want to send my younger self all the personal development advice, notes, and journaling prompts. Izzy Siles posts daily on Instagram. Check them. Start vision boarding and goal setting again. Life-changing possibilities pass us by daily. Sadly, our RAS filters out many information, including these. Goal setting and vision boarding help us appreciate our life goals. The reticular activating system is more likely to bring relevant opportunities and information to our attention, so we may act on them rather than ignore them. Success and happiness didn't grow into our brains. Survival shaped our minds. Our brains filter information differently than we wish. Our personalities and experiences shaped them. We must prepare our brains for those possibilities and deliberately recognize them to seize them and achieve our goals if we want to influence our future. Can't setting and writing goals work? That aids. I'll explain why a vision board is powerful. Visual creatures, humans. Visual information is processed by the entire occipital lobe. The majority of us, including you and me, process the world visually. Using a vision board to visualize our goals helps us emotionally connect with them and appreciate them deeply. Multiple studies have shown that visualizing and representing our goals motivates us to achieve them. Vision boards and other tools boost goal pursuit and motivation. My declaration on vision boards, their purpose, and who needs them. Let's begin the 5-step process if you're convinced and want to create a powerful vision board. My vision board development technique worked best after trying numerous others. You must be emotionally ready to dream large and confidently put imagery on a vision board. Life OS was established by my husband Ali and me to help you choose your path, design your dream life, and build a productivity system. An entire vision boards workshop was filmed. Full Vision to Action. Interested? Visit it. This course includes a vision boarding session with visions, meditations, and templates and resources for building your board. Dream first. Think of your dream life in 3 years. Everything's affected your appearance, feel, and identity. Episode-based future thinking vividly visualizes and simulates future events. The human tendency to prefer quick satisfaction over long-term benefits and delayed gratification, temporal discounting, is one of the biggest obstacles to attaining our goals. Say you want to be your fittest. You'd binge devour delectable treats on the sofa while watching TV for instant enjoyment. You may walk, listen to an audiobook, go to the gym, or do yoga for long-term delayed pleasure. EFT episodic future thinking can help us eliminate this bias and focus on delayed gratification and long-term advantages. When asked to picture their future if they met their study goals, students spontaneously studied longer, increasing the likelihood of that future reality. I prioritize categorizing my life throughout visualizing. I like the Wheel of Life holistic life thinking framework. Weekly, I review my Wheel of Life score for patterns and trends. Monitoring the past, present, and future patterns has been one of my most effective frameworks for advancement. I chart my Wheel of Life weekly with Google Sheets. My Google Sheet tracker was requested by many. I made this template. Adding numbers automatically refreshes this graph. For pattern identification, I've added a comments box to record key events that may have affected the score. Have another look. Physical health, mental health, friends and family. Romance, profession, finances, personal growth, and purpose and contribution also contribute. It's fine to watch YouTube videos for fun, but apply this to your life. Pick 2 video actions to implement today. To act on this video, jot down those 2 action items in your notebook, contact me, or share them in the comments. This video explains my journaling method and how it can improve mindfulness, intentionality, and self-awareness. Go look here. Otherwise, thanks for seeing. Stay healthy and focus on the trip. Check next video. Bye.